Alright, if you came here to increase your Quest 2's resolution, I got you. It's going to be done in quick and easy steps, and you're going to need a PC for this. This is going to be a potato. It could be the best PC in the world. It does not matter. As long as you have a PC and SideQuest installed, you will be fine. First, go ahead and just download SideQuest. Go to that website that's up on there. I'll just put it in the description, and go ahead and download for desktop, for Windows or Mac OS, depends on what you have. And just go through the simple download instructions. I'm pretty sure we could all do it. Next, you're just going to have to run it. By the way, SideQuest can be used to download free games if you really want to. Anyways, you're going to have to click on this wrench on the top. By the way, plug in your headset. It says here it's not detected, so I'm gonna plug mine in real quick. Yo, by the way, the new V38 update, or was it 39? I forget. I think it was 38. I just got it, and I'm looking at the Meta logo right now. This is crazy. Anyways, after you have that plugged in, click on the wrench. After it says connected up here, just click on the wrench, and then scroll down to where you see default texture size. And if you want like a really sharp one, I click 2560. I would not recommend this. It'll kill your battery, I think, pretty fast. But I also don't want this, so if you want battery life as well, I'll just click on 2048. I think that's the best one for me. But you can go ahead and experiment with any of these. So you're just gonna have to click on it, and it will set it automatically. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you get your resolution looking from bad to good.